Hi, this is Dean from Sentinel Soap. In today's video, I'm going to be making something that I've wanted to make since I started making cold process soap, and that is 100% extra virgin olive oil soap. There is no other oils other than olive oil in this soap. My fragrance is almond milk caramel. Now, I've never used this before, but it turned out great, and it still smells good even after a month. Now, as I said, this is the first time I've done an extra virgin olive oil soap before, so I'm going to put the recipe that I used in the description below, and I've been told that this can take anywhere between 12 and 15 months to cure. So this is a long-term project just to see if it's going to work. However, here's the downfall. If it does work, in 15 months or 12 months, I'll be making lots more of this. And when I do, it's going to take another 12 to 15 months to cure. So we're really talking about 3 years before I can start selling this, which sounds absolutely crazy, but this is the process. I've also been told that if I use 1-to-1 ratio lye, then this can be cured in about 4 to 6 weeks. So if you know a better way to speed up the curing process for 100% olive oil soap, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.